A nice, quick, healthy treat, and you can decide how to eat.
Cola's cooking food with her crew. If you're cooking food, you know what to do.
For this recipe, let's start off with some brown sugar, followed by some honey. Beautiful. I recommend melting down some butter. Okay, now add the salt as well. So you want all the dry ingredients to be together, and then all the wet ingredients will be together. And you just mix it up. Now this is just simple. You can jazz it up how you want to. You can add some heat, like some paprika. You can make it some ranch flavored popcorn, cheddar, whatever you want. But always start with the dry together and the liquids together. And don't forget your popcorn. Let's go grab those kernels. Add the butter, and it's gonna be hot surface, okay? So be very careful. And what you want to do is you want to add a couple of tester kernels. So I would say about 3. Put them in there. Add the lid. And once they pop, that means that the heat is ready for our other kernels to come join the party. Stay tuned. Hear that sizzle? They're getting happy in there. Check it out. Okay, don't get too excited. All right. Party time. Woo! Now make sure everybody gets some love in the tub. The tub of oil, that is. Close it up. Oh, shucky ducky now. Now get ready. Get ready, y'all. It's hot. Woo! Look at all that. Jump, jump. And make you wanna jump, jump. Make you wanna jump, jump. All right. Now, once it starts to slow down, you better turn that heat off. You're gonna get some Cajun, all right. Oh my. Oh, you ready? Woo-wee! Oh, it smells so wonderful. Absolutely exquisite. Now, you're free to stop here. However, remember we got some yummities for your tummities ready. So, let's add that. First, start off with your olive oil, okay? And then you go ahead and give it a flippity turn and a turnity flip. You see how I cook, y'all? Haha, you getting that flippity turn. Now to jazz it up, we want to add our honey. And again, a flippity turn and a turnity flip. Now it's time for the shower. This is all your dry seasoning. So whatever you decided, this is the time to introduce it to your popcorn. Keep giving it a nice even coat and flip. And the best part is the taste. A nice, quick, healthy treat, and you can decide how to eat.